Hello, my friends. Boy, have we got an emergency going on here today. We've got a glut of cherry tomatoes. And there's still more on the vine that I didn't want to go out and pick today because it's close to 100 degrees. So what we're going to do today, we are going to ferment them. We did this last year and they're absolutely delicious. And, you know, we like to put garlic in there, some peppercorns. You can put thyme, you can put dill. There's all sorts of things you can do. It's up to you. And we're going to show you how we do this. You're going to need some filtered water, some kosher salt, and you're going to need a glass weight and one of these little nipple things to go on the top. And you know, we leave it to ferment probably about 2 weeks. And that should be fine. And you know what? The green tomatoes are really delicious. So stay with us while we get this thing started. Happy cooking. Okay, we're going to need 2 tablespoons of salt and this quart of filtered water. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rinse off the cherry tomatoes, and then we're going to take a toothpick and we're going to poke 1 or 2 holes, preferably in the bottom or the top. All right, we want to rinse all these little tomatoes just to make sure that they're clean. They've already been rinsed, but I like to rinse them again. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of mixed peppercorns because I have an abundance of them. And we added just a few of the black peppercorns. Then we're going to put in 2 cloves of garlic. And then we're going to start working on the tomatoes. All right, now we're going to poke the little tomatoes. I'm going to do one right. Boy, this is a toughie. Right there. And we're going to do one on the bottom. And we want to poke them because this allows the brine to get into the tomato and it speeds up the fermentation. Then we're just going to put them into the... So now we're going to pour the brine over the... we like to put the glass weight in first. So we're going to pour this into the tomatoes. Takes a little patience. All right, you're not going to use all of the brine in there. You just fill it up, you know, to the top here. And then you're going to put your glass weight on, or the glass weight's already on there. Here. Then you're going to put this little nipple on there. That allows it to breathe. And then you take your ring, and you're going to just put that on there, secure it. I always have a hard time with these guys. They never like to do what I like them to do. But anyway, that's what you're going to do with it. Then you're going to, we like to put ours in a, like a plastic thing there. That way, if it starts coming up through the top, it catches it.